Say puppy Howloween.
Happy Halloween.
Ow! Tucker James, look, is the pumpkin.
Hi. Hi,
He's a cute
Tucker.
pumpkin.
Oh, your antennas are messed up.
Up, up,
Come here, Josie.
up,
Josie.
up. We gotta fix the antennas.
Oh.
Ah! Come here. Take it off. Come here, Lese. Come here. Hold on a second, people. I gotta adjust the Lese antennas here. There we go. Lese antennas. Lese is a ladybug, and then Josie is a horse.
She is a, I guess a bucking
bronco.
And then there's Tucker.
Are those horns or ears?
Her horns. She has ears beside her horns.
She's a bull then.
She's a bull.
You're a bull.
I'm a female bull. Look at you, Lese. Oh my gosh. You're so black I can barely see the antlers. Tucker.
Oh, so cute.
He says, oh my gosh, I'm so humiliated.
He's so cute.
I'm so humiliated.
That's my baby.
Aww.
Give lovin's. Puppy potty.